Hey, what's up guys, it's Anarchy46 and today I have the Razer Expert Gaming Keyboard. This is the Deathstalker Expert from Razer. Okay, so this is a really nice keyboard I just picked up not too long ago. I've been meaning to make this review, so basically let's just start it off. Okay, so this keyboard goes for $80. And you can find it in many places, but $80 seems to be the common price for it. Now, I really love this keyboard. I've tried it out for about a month now. It is great. It has the really nice feature that I love, and this is similar to other Mac keyboards. Now, I don't have a Mac, so I wouldn't be buying a Mac keyboard, and that's why I found this, especially because it has the flat keys. As you can see, very flat keys, which is what I like personally. Some people like chunky keys, but I really like the flat ones because I can just drift my hand over it. Now, another great feature of this keyboard, as you can see, just drift my hand right over it. It is great. Another great feature is the lights. So, let me just turn the lights off real quick. And as you can see, in the dark, the keys light up a lot. Now, the illuminated keys really help if you're playing in a dark environment or you want to have the lights off or something. You can still see the keys even if it's nighttime and you don't have a light on or something. It's kind of nice so you can actually read what's on there with a light rather than just standard keys that don't have light. So that's pretty nice. And as you can see, there's also a gaming mode. Now, what this gaming mode does, as you can see, it's on. It shows a little green light when it's on. Basically, so when you're playing a game, it disables the Windows key, which is amazing, because normally the Windows key pretty much screws you over in any game. Like you'll be shifting in Minecraft, and then you hit the Windows key, and your whole game just freezes up, opens up this crap, and it'll cancel you out of any game pretty much. There's no way to disable that. So the gaming function is really nice. It disables it. That is one of my favorite features, is the disabling of the Windows key. Now, some other great features is you can have your own presets as well. So you can even set presets for all the keys, which is pretty nice because you could have like even mouse clicking if you wanted. And another great feature that I really like is you can pause or break. So you can hit the sleep button, and there's already a function like a sleep button on the keyboard, so you don't have to do all that. So it's pretty nice. But if you wanted to set up your own custom keys, you have to download Synapse 2.0. As you can see with this instruction, your settings anytime, anywhere. Now, this instruction booklet comes with your keyboard. I think you can even download Synapse even if you don't even have a keyboard, but I mean, you need the keyboard to set the custom, so you kind of need it. But basically, to get to the setup, now this may be tricky for some people if you haven't done it. Basically, you open up this packet, you flip open to this page right here, and it should say, if you can read this, the enlistment. I think it's enlistment or registration. Yeah, registration. There you go. So you just go to that website. That will be in the description below, and that is how you download your Razer Synapse. And with Razer Synapse, that is what you use to customize your keyboard and all that. Even with some keyboards, you can even change the colors. However, the default color is green, so you can't change green, but as you can see, you just plug it in, USB. Another great thing is it does have gold-plated USB for a better connection. So gold-plated USB, pretty nice feature, gives a better connection. Overall, pretty great. I like gold, better connection. So yeah, let me get that plugged back in. Okay, so yeah, that's the booklet. You get a bunch of booklets. You also get some stickers, I think. Yeah, you get some stickers too. So yeah, basically that is the Razer keyboard. Let me know if you've gotten one, how it is. It's a really nice keyboard. I highly recommend it. And then just another feature, you can rest your hands all over it. It's beautiful. Okay, so thanks for watching. Anarchy46 out.